Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepika from SNS College of Engineering. Today I'm going to uh, talk about the topic regarding artificial intelligence. In that, I'm going to talk about intelligence. What is intelligence? The ability of a system to calculate, reason, precise relationship, and analogies, learn from experience, store or retrieve information from memory, solve problems, comprehend complex ideas, use natural language, uh, fluently classify, generalize, and adapt new situations. In this intelligence, linguistic intelligence, what do you mean by that? The ability to speak, recognize, and use mechanism of phonology, speech, sounds, syntax, grammar, and semantics meaning. It's like examples, narrators, and orators. Musical intelligence, the ability to create, communicate with, and understand meanings made of sound, understanding of pitch and rhythm. Musicians, singers, composers. Logical mathematical intelligence is nothing but the ability of use and understand relationships in the absence of action or objects, understand complex and abstract ideas. It is an example of mathematics and science. Spatial intelligence, the ability to precise visual, spatial information, change it, and recreate visual image without reference of the objects, construct 3D image, and move to rotate them. Map readers, astronauts, and physicists. Then boldly can the I mean sorry boldly kinesthetic intelligence. Okay, so this is nothing but the ability to use complete or part of the body to solve problems or fashion products, control over fine motor skills, and manipulate the objects. It's plays and dances. Okay, so next is infrapersonal intelligence, the ability to distinguish among one's own feelings, intentions, and motivations. As we all know, it is intrapersonal activities. It this purely distinguish about our normal, I mean the in person's feelings, intentions, and motivations. It's like Gautam Buddha. Mm, interpersonal intelligence, that is intrapersonal intelligence. And coming to interpersonal intelligence, the ability to recognize and make distinguish among other people's feelings, beliefs, and intentions. For this, it is example is like mass communication and interviews. So these are the types of intelligence. So the intelligence has been distinguished into various type, like the speak, whatever you can speak in that the computer. Let us take an example as a computer. In linguistic no, sorry, for linguistic example, let us take a phone, a smartphone. In that, if you give an question Google search, like search therapy, like Siri, if you talk to it, it gives you a response. And if you type in a message text to anyone, it the syntax error, the grammatical error, it automatically corrects, and semantics and meaning, that is narrators. Okay, so musical intelligence, it communicate and understand meanings made by sound. So this the music how you play it understands and automatically it start typing. That is also an artificial intelligence that is implemented in the field of music, singers, and composers. The composers just compose the song, and it automatically writes it. So it the artificial intelligence, everything has been the automation, they have predefined program so that it is capable of uh, performing by itself. Okay, so logically mathematical intelligence, it's nothing but the ability to understand relationship in absence of action and objects, understanding complex and abstract ideas. Spatial intelligence, the ability to precise visual and spectral information, change it, and recreate visual images without reference of objects, construct 3D images to move and rotate them. This is like we nowadays for constructing a house, we created 3D pictures. It's like we are able to see our house, how it will be, where we place the sofa, everything. Bowling kinesthetic intelligence, the ability to use complete or part of body to solve the problems. As we all know, this is like a players and dancers example. Okay, fine. Intrapersonal and interpersonal already haven't been discussed. So further we'll discuss in next section. Thank you.